Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a side-by-side Manhattan. This is one of those moves where any kind of Manhattan experience would be useful, but not necessary. And the entrance to it is a standard basket. Just in case you want to look at any of that stuff, links are in the description below. So it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's break that down. It looks like a standard basket, so we go back, we go wrap, we twist out. And then comes the Manhattan footwork. So what's going to happen is we're going to bring the lady to step forwards on her right. Guys, we're going to step forwards on our left. We're going to rock back onto our back foot, and then we're going to step back again just a few inches past our other foot. Then we're going to step back again. So guys right, ladies left. So we need to be pulling backwards and twisting the lady to the left while keeping her centre over her right foot to lead the step. Rock onto the front foot and bring that next step forwards back to where it was before. Then we just repeat. So we go forwards and back, back and forwards. You can do as many of those as you like, but we're just going to do 2 sets. Then we go with the left hand. We're going to keep the lady moving forwards, rolling out, which gives us a preparation like a Wurlitzer, return spin and catch. So let's do that again, and this time we'll talk numbers and give you the other view. So we go back to 2 hands. 1, wrap into the basket. 2, twist out. 3, we go forwards. 4, and back 5. We go backwards 6, and replace 7. We go forwards 8, and replace 1. Then we go backwards 2, and replace 3. Rolling away 4, preparation 5, return spin 6, and away 7. So let's try it to a count together. Here we go. 5, a 6, side to side, Manhattan. We go a back, wrap, back. We go forwards and back, back and forwards, forwards and back, back and forwards. Roll, prepare, return spin, and back. Now that is a standard side-by-side Manhattan. You can do a half Manhattan version, and sometimes people will confuse the two. The half Manhattan version is literally exactly the same, except you just go forwards and back, and roll away. So you just cut off the back and replace to get the half variant. And that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another Intermediate Modern Jive Clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. And a music recommendation will be on the end credits so that you've got something nice to practice to. Finally, as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.